Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to make play-doh. Come. You need something to put the product and something to stir with. You need some Listerine, any amount of Listerine, some Johnson's powder, and some lotion. Let's get started. So, first things first, you wanna add your powder. Oh my gosh. Let's add many one. Ilak kasi. And add your lotion. It's my cute lotion ever. Oh no. Sorry. Oh, it's not working. Maybe I'll just use some of these gel coloring. This one first. It's like a Windex. Anyway, let's open it. If you don't have some lotion, you can just use Listerine. Add little so that like a dewy. Little bit at a time. Oops. I'm just gonna mix this. This glue is so wet. Oh, it's sturdy. Alright, so after that, put it back in. Just get again your Johnson's baby powder. Just put it in parchment paper and spread it out. Just put the powder just there. And just keep mixing it in there. Keep mixing and cover it. Until it's like this. Sure. It's done. It's Play-Doh. So I made some, and the textures like this. This is little and this is big. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Love you guys so much. Please subscribe. But before you stop the video, make sure to go subscribe. What is it? Gary Forever 17, Timmy Tomato, Alejandro Lactas, and Annalise Out. Make sure to subscribe to them because they make awesome videos. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Bye.